Gold against US dollar has fallen in value this week, and it was mentioned in the previous week analysis that we could see the price reaching this confluence of support, because this week has started with this small bearish candle after the price has made a breakout and returned back up, confirming the previous support, now acting as a resistance at 1979 price level. After that, on a Tuesday, the price has continued to move down, but this strong demand zone here where the buyers are have pushed the price again up and tried to reverse this bearish move. But we can see that this candle right here could not push the price above these two candles and could not make some kind of small breakout to the upside. But the price has tried to reach higher levels, we can see this week, but the daily time frame and also the bulls could not close this day above, but the sellers have pushed the price again down. You can see that this day on a Wednesday the price is closed right there here where the low is on the previous weeks, and on a Thursday we can see the price has continued to move down, has made a breakout, closed the day below this price levels, and it has reached this demand zone, which is a confluence of support. We can see also this weekly uptrend trend line, which is now acting as a support. We can see on a Friday the prices continue to move up, making a bounce and retrace from this demand zone, but the price has returned back down, and the price is currently here at 1947 price level. We can see that in the past this price level has prevented the price from moving up and also from price from falling down. Now let's see how this looks on a weekly time frame. Weekly time frame looks like this, where we have seen in the previous week that the price has reached this uptrend, which is acting as a support, and the price has closed at 1979. But this week has made a breakout to the downside, and this support has lost its strength. So we can see that currently the price is outside of this uptrend, which is suggesting that the price is changing the direction. Then let's see on the monthly time frame how this looks. We have 3 more days next week for this month to end, but as it looks right now, it will be probably closed as a bearish one. We can see that the price this month has reached this confluence of support, where we can see in the past the price has problems reaching higher levels and also lower levels. It is at the current price, which is 1936, and the price has reached this price level this week. So we have seen that this month will probably end as a bearish one, so we can make a conclusion for the future moves and what could happen, and that is the next level where the price will reach is 1927, which is the next small support for the monthly time frame, and the next one below that is 1903. We need to wait how this month will end, but there is high probability that the price will not make a bounce and break and retrace above 1979, which would be a great signal for the buyers. I'm not expecting that the price will turn back up and close the month in the next 3 days above 1990 price level, but I'm expecting that the price will continue to move down. The next one, the first one is 1927, and below that is 1903. But for the whole month it is hard to make a prediction, so I will see how this looks on a weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame we can see that the first level below this one is 1928, which is also visible on a monthly time frame. It is a very critical level. In the past you can see this area here has had problems when it was falling down to reach lower level. So I'm expecting that the price will reach this area 1920, and there is a possibility that we could see these wicks reaching 1910. So the next week I'm expecting the price to fall down first here and maybe making a wick to this price level. From there we could see the price bouncing and reaching higher levels, and that is around this area here where these are the wicks, and that is 1951, because the sellers who are pushing the price right now from higher levels, they will exit from their trades around this area, which will trigger the buyers to push the price on higher levels. So for the next week, I'm not expecting that the price will return it back up, reaching 1980 after this breakout, but first I'm expecting that the price will reach this one, 1927 price level. From there the price could make a bounce to the upside, confirming the previous support, now acting as a resistance, and then fall down. But everything depends on the daily time frame, how this will react. So the next one critical is 1927 for the weekly time frame. Let's see how this looks on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see this uptrend is still not broken. So looking on a weekly time frame where this uptrend is broken, on the daily time frame is still active. So I'm expecting that the price will break down to the downside from this area, but before that we could see a price reaching again this area here, making a wicks, and then trying to make a breakout. If the price goes below this price level, the next one, the price level where the price will move, is around this one area. We can see in the past that the price had problems reaching lower level. So the area 1920 and 1926 is the next area where the price could stop after making a breakout. So the price could make a breakout. I'm expecting the price will make that in the next week around this area, then making a retrace to this area here, 1947, testing this as the next resistance, and then falling down, which will be around 1910. So if you have remembered that on a weekly time frame 1927 is the next one price level, we can see this is the area on the daily time frame where the price could make a breakout and stop, and then making a retrace before continue to move down, where the next level is 1910, which is also mentioned on the weekly time frame analysis. So 1903, this demand zone around this one here, is a very critical for the weekly, monthly, and also daily time frame. So this is the next level where the price could go if the price makes a breakout below this confluence of support. On the upside, I'm not expecting that the price will make a breakout and return above 1986, which is a very critical for the buyers right now. So if the price would like to return back up and continue to move up, we need to see on a daily time frame the price above this area, which is a supply zone where the sellers are waiting, and also on a weekly time frame this is very critical level, and it is a decision level for the buyers. So we will see what will happen if the price makes a breakout to the downside. We have target levels for the price, and if the price doesn't make a breakout, we could see the price trying to reach again here, which will mean the price will move sideways in the next weeks. So let's see what happens on the market. And now we have daily, weekly, and also monthly time frame prediction where the market could move. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.